Hi friends, in this video we are solving the problems on Legendre's polynomial. Okay, you observe the given problem is Pn dash of 1 is equal to 1 by 2 times of n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, next second one is Pn dash of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into n plus 1 by 2. Here two problems I give. So if I solve one problem, you can do another problem very easily. Okay, now listen carefully. First I will solve one problem. Based on that you can do second one. Try to solve the second problem without watching my video. Okay friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, share, like, give comment on a box. Okay, so here you observe they are given Pn dash of x form. Actually Pn of x is nothing but Legendre polynomials generating function. There we will get the Pn, but here they are given Pn dash of x. So you require the differential equation form, that is we have 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. The differential equation, if it is in this form, then this is called a Legendre's equation, where n is a positive integer. Okay, now this Legendre equation Pn of x is satisfies this differential equation. Friends, satisfies is nothing but how you can write this as 1 minus x square y double dash is nothing but it is satisfied means, so Pn double dash of x minus 2x times of Pn dash of x plus n into n plus 1 into Pn dash of x is equal to 0. Then only Pn of x is satisfying this equation or not? Yes. Okay, but you require which value? Pn dash of 1 value. But here you have Pn dash of x you have. So what you have to substitute to get Pn dash of 1? Yes, x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 in above equation. Now if you put x is equal to 1, then you will have 1 minus 1 square is 1, that is into Pn dash of 1 minus 2 into x means 2 Pn dash of 1 plus n into n plus 1 into Pn of 1 is equal to 0. Now you observe 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0 only, so no need to write this entire term or not? Yes, minus 2 times of Pn dash of 1 plus n into n plus 1 into Pn of 1 equal to 0. Now I required which value? Pn dash of 1 only. So keep Pn dash of 1 left side. Okay, then you will have minus 2 times of Pn dash of 1 is equal to minus of n into n plus 1 into Pn of 1. Now minus getting cancelled. Then I want only Pn dash of 1. From this what I can get means n into n plus 1, take right side, divided by 2 into Pn of 1. Friends, you have to remember the value Pn of 1 value is 1. Okay, from the generating function already we have proved this one in earlier videos. If you don't know Pn of 1 is equal to 1, watch my previous videos. Okay, so that implies Pn dash of 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That's it. Okay, is it clear for everyone? You see how to solve this problem means we have to write the differential equation form, that is 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. If you remember this formula, this differential equation, then you can do very easily. Then this differential equation Pn of x is satisfying that if differential equation 1, then I will replace y by Pn of x. Then what I required actually means Pn of I want Pn dash of 1. Pn dash of 1 I want. So in place of x I have to substitute 1 this in equation, then I will get a Pn dash of 1. You simplify, then finally you will have Pn dash of 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So friends, can you solve Pn dash of minus 1? Easily you can solve. I will give some hint for you. You see, first you have to write the differential equation form. This one you have to remember. Okay, to solve these problems you have to remember this differential equation. Here I want Pn dash of minus 1. So this Pn of x is satisfying this equation. Now I want Pn dash of minus 1. So here you have Pn dash of x only. So what you have to replace to get a minus 1? X is equal to minus 1, you substitute. So minus 1 square will become 1. 1 minus 1 0. So you simplify, then you will have this term. Try to solve without seeing my video. Okay, now I will solve that problem for you, but you try to solve without seeing. If you are not getting, then continue watch my video. Okay friends, now we are proving Pn dash of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into n plus 1 by 2. This topic we are chosen from Legender's polynomials. Okay, now how to prove this one? We require here, you see, Pn dash of minus 1 we have. So Legender polynomial differential equation we require. We have the Legender polynomial of differential equation, Legender's differential equation. Okay, the differential equation 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. This differential equation is of the form is called a Legender's equation, where n is a positive integer. Okay, now you observe polynomial Pn of x, Legender polynomial will satisfy this equation number 1. Then you will have 1 minus x square satisfies is nothing but Pn double dash of x minus 2x y dash is nothing but Pn dash of x plus n into n plus 1 into Pn of x is equal to 0. Friends, what you have to prove? We have to prove Pn dash of minus 1. But here you have Pn dash of x. How you will get Pn dash of minus 1 here? So if you put if you are substituted x is equal to minus 1 in the above equation, then you will have 1 minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1 into Pn double dash of minus 1 minus 2 times of x. X is nothing but what here? Minus 1. So plus 2 times of Pn dash of minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into Pn of minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Now which value you require? Pn dash of minus 1. Now you simplify this. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 times of Pn dash of minus 1 is double dash of minus 1 is 0 only. So no need to write. The remaining term is 2 into Pn dash of minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into Pn of minus 1 is equal to 0. Actually I required only Pn dash of minus 1. Okay na? So keep Pn dash of minus 1 left side. Then you will have Pn dash of minus 1 2 times is equal to minus of n into n plus 1 into Pn of minus 1. Okay. Now only I want Pn dash of minus 1 value na. So take 2 is left side. Then you will have minus n into n plus 1 by 2 times of Pn of minus 1. So here you have to know Pn of minus 1 value. Friends, actually Pn of 1 is equal to 1 we have, and Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of n we have. Okay na? These two values you have to remember. Already I have done these problems in the earlier videos. If you don't know these values, then please watch my previous videos. Up to that you have to remember. Now Pn dash of minus 1 is equal to minus n into n plus 1 by 2 times of, what is the Pn of minus 1 here? Minus 1 to the power of n. See friends, here this is, you can also write minus 1 power n plus 1. Here already n is there. Again you are multiplying. Suppose minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, we are multiplying 3 times. Then you will get minus 1 whole cube or not? Yes. So minus 1 to the power of n plus 1, that is into n plus 1 by 2. Which value this is? Means Pn dash of minus 1. But here you see what we have to prove? Pn dash of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. But here what you have? N plus 1. Is there any changes? You see friends, minus 1 whole cube is how much? Minus 1 only na. So minus 1 whole to the power of 5 is how much? Minus 1 only. So in this case, minus 1 power n plus 1 value, minus 1 power n minus 1 value, both will be equal. So this is also answer. Okay na? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.